I spend time to pray. Because when I close my eyes to pray to God, I see prayer is too important. And sometimes, remember, you don't even know what to say in prayer. It is not important that you know what to say when you pray. Why? After all, when you pray in the Spirit, when you pray in tongues, you don't know what you're saying, do you? It's a fellowship. It's a fellowship. You're getting more and more acquainted with Him. There you'll be amazed at how the Holy Spirit teaches you. The Holy Spirit is the greatest teacher. He will teach you things you never thought you would ever discover. Things that will take people years to find out. He can teach you in a few moments.